Hey guys, how are you today? This is George. For those of you that don't know me, I've been doing this for quite some time. Actually, I was away for a while doing research to bring you guys this new plan. So basically, what we're going to be covering is how to get rich, number one, and how to get richer, number two. Right? Figure that. So it's basically, if you're new to the transport industry, it will work just as great for you as if you've been in the business for 10 years. There's a lot of you in the small office, mama and papa with 3 or 4 sales reps struggling, and you continue to struggle. So what I have is a plan that's going to get you out of that struggle, and you're going to make real money in real time. So what do we do? 3 simple steps. Comprehension, infrastructure, and development. Now like and subscribe to the channel. If you like to get the book, the link is below, and stay tuned for more information. Thank you guys. Have a great day.